Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Gmail. So to connect that, we will use Zapier. So first go to zapier.com/dashboard, and on the left side you can see create a Zap. Click on there and we have to select our trigger. So let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be HubSpot, and select our event. So I'm just going to choose any one event, such as a new contact. Click on continue and connect with your HubSpot account. Click continue, and we can also test this. I'm going to skip this for now. Click on continue, and our action will be Gmail. So let's select Gmail, and our event will be simply to send an email. So connect with your Google account over here. Select your account and click allow. Click on continue and then fill in the information such as contact, let's select body and subject as well. And after all that, you just have to click publish and you'll be able to connect HubSpot to Gmail. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.